Virgo, this is your channel messages for the 23rd of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Virgo, we're going straight into your channel song. When the visions around you bring tears to your eyes, and when all that surrounds you are secrets and lies, I'll be your strength and I'll give you hope, keeping your faith when it's gone. The one you should call was standing here all alone. And I will take you in my arms and hold you right where you belong, until the day my life is through. This I promise you. This I promise you. Virgo, I promise you. I promise you, Virgo. Till my day my life is through. This I promise you. Virgo, I promise. We made a promise. We made a pact to each other. Remember, Virgo? Did you forget the pact we made? We didn't make a pact. I was just trying to see if I could implant a memory inside of you. But nevertheless, Virgo, we are in the same zodiac sign element, Virgo. So you should know. I promise you, Virgo. We made a promise. Didn't you make a promise to me? I always keep my promises, Virgo. Especially now, moving on in my life, because I noticed, Virgo, that our word is the only thing we have. So let's get your overall message, and then we can go into your reading. We have the Seven of Cups coming out first, Virgo. I'm getting confusion, or I'm getting in a one trance, you're in a hypnosis, or I'm getting a lot of daydreaming, I'm getting your mind clouded. Something is clouding your mind. Maybe you forgot the promise you made. I'm getting because you're doing so much things, or I'm getting you're depressed, Virgo. Virgo, you depressed. Why you depressed? You suicide? Virgo, for the why, Virgo? Virgo, you suicide for the why? Virgo, you did not email me, Virgo. Virgo, for why you suicide? You suicide because you cannot argue, Virgo? Or you suicide because you don't feel loved, Virgo? Till my day, my life is true, Virgo. This I promise you. I promise you I'd always have your back. Near or far, Virgo, I'll be there for you. So Seven of Cups. I'm guessing you forget. Maybe you forget who you were. You need to go back and watch some of your old videos, Virgo, because you're forgetting who the fuck you are. I never forgot who you were. That's why I can come on here and talk so proudly of you, because I know who you are. You forgot who you are. So go back and watch some of your readings. Seven of Cups, starting your reading. We have a Tower card. Yeah. I promise you, Virgo. I'm getting nobody has ever kept a promise to you before. Everybody who promised you something, them abandon you. Every friend you ever have turned on you. Everybody who you had around you was jealous of you. Not this one, Virgo. This one is very different. You see, I have a slight touch of alienism in me, so I'm not like the others, Virgo. The Tower card. I'm getting you just wake up. Or I'm getting you're under one deep hypnosis. Virgo, you might not know this. Them will do magic by your house, your room where you're in, the whole thing where your apartment. Yeah, government will do magic by your blood clot in there. So maybe that's why you start feel suicidal and depressive. You get depressive, you get suicidal, you get more, you don't care, you don't have the passion, you don't have the drive. It could be where you live. If that's not it, Virgo, I'm getting wake up. Wake up, Virgo. The fuck you doing? Go watch back some of your videos then. You don't remember who you were? Wake up. Me don't know who you gonna take money from or who you gonna make a deal with. Apparently them take your blood clot eyes and soul with you. Wake up. You're in a one trance, in a deep, heavy sleep, Virgo. Wake up. Me getting you still operate like normal. You still a record. You still do everything. You're asleep. You need to wake the fuck up, Virgo. Wake up. Me getting you gone sleep. You don't lock up in the house and look through the window and you don't want to show your face nowhere. What is happening? I promise you, Virgo, I'll always be here for you. The Knight of Swords. Sorry, the Knight of... King of Wands coming out first. Me getting a Leo. Me don't know if you're going to do... You did business with a Leo. Me getting after you take the money from the Leo, after you did the business with the Leo, your life was hell. Or me getting Virgo, this Leo man want you alone. They don't want nobody patronize you. They want you feel so fucking depressive and lonely and abandoned where you just give up. You gonna give up over a nigga? No, do not do that, Libra. Do not do that. Don't do it, Virgo. And the King of Swords. We have two men here. Now, this could be you was dating this guy and me getting the guy romance you. You might even give your body to him. He never call you back. Me getting you have another friend now, or really nice to you. He might be a Gemini or an Aquarius. He never really asked for sex from you, but you know if you initiate sex, he would have sex with you. Me getting that's the one you need to choose. Don't choose the one who romance you, the one who fine you, the one who make sure if you fall in love with them. Don't choose that one. Choose the one who more practical or realistic, where you're having real conversations with, where you sit down there, you're bored with them and two and not talk. Choose that one. Don't choose the one who are passionate and full of sex. Because as soon as his dick goes down, so is your confidence. We have a two of, we're getting, don't choose the one who romance you out and passion you out and all, and don't choose that one. Choose the one where you sit down and you're bored with it, you're not talking, it's awkward, and you're like, I'm not talking, he's not talking, oh, this is weird, but both of us still here. Choose that one. I promise you, you won't go wrong. We have a Three of Swords, you won't go wrong, I promise you. Me getting you went, okay, wait, hold on, how the fuck I go on? Did a Gemini break your heart? Me getting a Gemini break your heart. If the Gemini never break your heart, then you tell the Gemini that this man broke your heart. And me getting the Gemini, I go fix it for you. So it's one out of the two. The Magician, me getting the Gemini, I go pull some string for you. Or me getting, he's like, you made this girl cry, I'm gonna beat your ass. And the Seven of Cups. Also, Virgo, now, if you're in the house all day and you have nothing to do and you finish doing everything, and if you finish doing everything by 9 a.m., I feel like you say there's nothing wrong with drinking a glass of wine at 9 a.m. because you finish all the work what you have. This is true, nothing wrong, but I feel like by 2 p.m., you're depressed. And you don't have nobody to talk to, or you don't trust nobody to talk to, because you have so much secrets hidden inside of you. And even though it's good to hide yourself, Virgo, so when you hide yourself, people don't use what they know about you against you. Other people like when you're vulnerable. That is what won my friendship over with you, Virgo. You started to be very vulnerable with how you felt. You wanted to be a better person. You want change. Maybe you don't have all the answers. You don't have all the answers, Virgo. Sway has the answers. You inspire me as much as I hope I would inspire you, Virgo. So I'm getting go with the air sign. You see, if the air sign never hurt you, me getting go with it. Me getting you telling the air sign about who hurt you. If that's not what it is, if the air sign, the Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, if they're the one who hurt you, me getting them hurt you because of a Leo you never want to be with. Somebody you refuse to talk to. You might just refuse to even talk to anybody, and I guess nobody wins. But I still have a promise. I still have made a promise. You made a promise, Virgo. I hope that we keep our promises. Because our word is all we have in this lifetime. Aliens. Till the day my life is true, Virgo, this I promise you. I promise, Virgo, I'll always watch over you. I'll always defend you. We have Guru. We have Internet. We have the Empress, Taurus and Libra. We have Go Outside, Aries and Leo. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time, bye.
Oh my God.